Here's the attacker.
Oh, he was thinking about having a go.
His feet were down then.
He's a bit bigger than I am. Oh my word, what? Leave my go-go bird alone. Dom here from Essential RC, and I have Jason on camera. This is really good because we reviewed the prototype Go-Go Bird Eagle not too long ago. It was the prototype, and they have brought out the actual version they are going to sell. So this is it. Having reviewed the first version, the prototype, what is nice that they have changed on this one is that it's very quick to put together. The original version had screws really that you had to, you know, and it was fiddly. You had to have the fingers of a 5-year-old to put this thing, to put it together. But now it's with these little washers that you you press on top to put the wing on, the wing on, and the tail as well. So it literally takes 30 seconds to put together. Comes with a couple of batteries, and the charger, and the transmitter, and it comes in a really nice storage box as well. Also comes with the quick start guide, and if I put the Go-Go Bird down, I'll show you on the transmitter. So it's one-hand operation, and you can see, Jason, on here the buttons. So you have got on the joystick speed up, slow down, left and right. There's a speaker at the bottom which gives you altitude reminders. On the previous version it did give us sounds as well. It sounded a little bit like a seagull or something like that rather than an eagle, but I'm not sure whether that will be the case. Then you've got a landing button and a takeoff button, and then altitude hold up and down. Not quite sure what that means, and the on button is on that side. So I've flown quite a few Ornithopters, and this is definitely the best one. It does fly quite well. What is an Ornithopter? Basically, an Ornithopter is something that flaps its wings to maintain flight. So let's give it a go and see how it flies.
A little disclaimer, it is quite windy, isn't it? There is a bit of a breeze.
A little bit windy. So in wind you're going to be going slower into wind, you'll turn and it will travel quite quickly. You can see the wind actually moving the wings about, so yeah, it is pretty windy today. Now in terms of control, what it has are these paddles on the back, and the two servos move those paddles up and down. So, you know, while the wing is flapping, the paddles will go up and down on the tail to give you directional control. So,
let's talking, let's fly.
Let's fly, let's fly. So last time we did this, Jason, do you recall? We're out in the country here in the south of England, and there's quite a few birds of prey around, specifically red kites, which are...
I can't see any at the moment. I think
they're large, beautiful birds, but they were a bit offended by this this Ornithopter flapping around, and did come quite close, didn't they?
Yeah,
Jason.
So a couple of swoops of telling you to go away.
Yeah. Right, so the on button should be here, and a bit of power. All right, so here we go. Where's the wind?
Coming from that corner, which is now picking up quite a lot. I mean, that's quite a gale now.
Do you know what? That is improved actually, considering there's a fair amount of wind.
You've got a friend inbound.
They're coming.
Here's the attacker.
He's a bit bigger than I am. Oh my word, what? He's just checking me out at the moment, isn't he? Leave my go-go bird alone. Oh, he was thinking about having a go.
His feet were down then.
Oh, I'm down. So there you go, that's the Go-Go Bird Eagle. That was a lot of fun, and honestly with those red kites there's no chance of me harming them, and probably them not harming the Go-Go Bird Eagle. They were just genuinely interested, I think. So that was fantastic. What a beautiful, beautiful birds, and you can see them over there. 4 of them, family, kind of all together. So yeah, a lot of fun. So thanks for watching this. If you're interested in this, the link will be in the video description and the pinned comment. Look up the price. I think it's quite unique. Not seen anything else like it. Certainly the best kind of semi-scale ornithopter I've come across, and everything is in the box that you need to get this flying. So if you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up. Makes a big difference to our videos being watched. And if you want to see more from Essential RC, then please subscribe. If you do, click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But thanks to Jason on camera.
No worries.
And we'll see you soon for another one in the near future.
See you soon.
Bye. Cheers. Oh, he was thinking about having a go.
His feet were down then.
Oh!